Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dear participants, dear colleagues. I would also say my dear friends. It is my great pleasure to welcome you here on the second International Hydrogen Aviation Conference. My name is Naveed Akhtar. I am the founder and CEO of High Hybrid Energy. Let's see what we have for you today. We have 112 participants registered for the conference coming from 18 countries, and we have 21 excellent presentations for you. In terms of the agenda, we have a morning plenary speech by Bart Buybeck, who is the Executive Director for Fuel Cells and Hydrogen Joint Undertaking, FCHJU. We have another keynote speech, which would be in the afternoon. Due to the time differences, we decided to put in the afternoon. This would be delivered by Andy Marsh, who is the CEO of Plug Power. Then we have excellent presentations further on by the guest speakers. So there would be a presentation on hydrogen-powered drones and eVTOLs aircraft. So there would be 2 presentations on this topic. Hydrogen airships, 4 presentations dedicated to this topic. Hydrogen valleys, hubs at airports, 2 presentations on this topic. Moving on to the fuel cells stack and systems, mainly on PEM and SOFC. There will be 4 presentations on this topic. Then we have to dive into the role of balance of plant components, especially for the compressor in this particular case. We have 1 presentation for use of compressor for aviation use. Then very important topic is the liquefied hydrogen storage versus other type of storage, for example, compressed storage. They're used in aircraft, and with respect to liquefied hydrogen storage, they're used for both cooling and fueling purposes. Then we move on to hydrogen refueling at airports and the logistics. For example, do we need the infrastructure, or can we do some other ways? For example, there is a presentation you would see in the afternoon session, and there are possibilities you can arrange this logistics in another fashion. Next slide, next presentation, there would be on emissions and cost reduction model for aviation. And then needless to say, always the standards and safeties, which are the main requirement for use of any of the applications for hydrogen use, and in particular, in this case, to the aviation use. So here is the invitation for our upcoming next year event. This would be the 3rd International Hydrogen Aviation Conference. And this is planned to be on 1st of September 2022. As you can see, my arrows pointing towards Glasgow, which means we are making every effort this time, which is our 3rd round, to make sure that we invite you and see you in person in Glasgow. So we will keep it trying, and we won't give up. So there is a little information message for you. In case you are attending a part conference, please rejoin us at the end of the conference session for a group photo session to commemorate your presence at IHAC 2021. With this, I would like to thank you very much for your joining. Enjoy the conference.